In this video, I'm going to show you how you can link Cash App to Charles Schwab. So here's what you got to do. First, press on your profile icon right here in the top right corner. Then from here, we got to scroll down until we see the option for linked banks. So click on it. Here you might already have a linked debit card, or if you don't, like me, we just got to press on the plus icon. Now here it will ask you for the number of the debit card. However, we have to select this option right here, no card. And instead we will be prompted with an option to link our bank account. So all we gotta do is click on continue. And from here it will load up a bunch of institutions, and this one is for Charles Schwab. So just select it. And here it will take you to another page that will require you to log in into Charles Schwab, and then it will automatically confirm your identity and link your Charles Schwab bank to Cash App. So it is as simple as that. Hope this was helpful and informative. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.